Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine, safe, healthy. Today's subject is computer, and the topic is first step in MS Paint, which I am going to give you a brief information about the previous knowledge. Let's type in Notepad. As I already explained you about the Notepad. So children, Notepad is a simple text editor for Microsoft Windows and a basic text editing program which enables computer users to create documents. It was first released as a mouse-based MS-DOS program in 1983. Microsoft Notepad is a word processing tool which I already mentioned you in my previous explanation of the lesson. It's a word processing tool included with Windows and is installed by default under the Accessories program group. You can use it to create a log type that adds the current date and time each time the Notepad file is opened. So children, our today's topic is let's paint in MS. But before I start this new lesson, I want to tell you about Notepad. As you already know what is Notepad, I have already explained you. So you can use it to create a log type that adds the current time, date each time the Notepad file is opened. This article describes how to create a log file with Notepad. So children, now I am telling you about the Notepad. Now how to use Microsoft Notepad, children, as you already learned in your previous lesson. But we are doing a bit revision of it. So children, I want answer from you. How do you use Microsoft Notepad, children? Yes, very good. To create a log file in Notepad, you have to click Start, point to Program, Paint to Accessories, and then click Notepad. Very good, children. Yes. Now can you tell me what is the second step? Type log on the first line and then press enter to move to the next line. Very good. Third step, children, on the file menu, click save as, type a descriptive name for your file in the file name box and then click OK. Very good, children. So in this way you have to start the Notepad window and then you have to see how the work area you can type the text. Same way you will save and exit Notepad. And you have already seen in your previous lesson about Notepad, which I explained you, how to click on file, select exit option, and then you will see a cursor, that is the blinking line on the enter text. Then you see how to adjust the size and style, and then how to refer to the alphabets, numbers and the using the keyboard. So children, let's coming to our topic, first step in MS Paint. So children, now we are doing a topic that is first step in MS Paint. So children, you will see some figure given. You have to draw a circle and a triangle in the boxes given below and color it using your favorite colors. Yes children, some figures will be given to you and you have to draw a circle and a triangle in the boxes given below and color it using your favorite colors. Now I will tell you what is Microsoft Paint. So children, just carefully listen what I am explaining you. So Microsoft Paint is a simple raster graphics editor that has been included with all the versions of Microsoft Windows. The program opens and saves file in Windows, bitmap, JPEG. All these letters are in capital children, GLF, PNG and single page TIFF formats. The program can be in color mode or two color black and white, but there is no grayscale mode. MS Paint. So children, what is MS Paint? Yes, very good. MS Paint is a basic painting utility tool that is included in all that Microsoft Windows versions. MS Paint can be used to draw colors and edit pictures. So children, I hope you can understand what I am explaining you. You have to be very careful with the figures given below, including important pictures from a digital camera. For example, MS Paint is found in the Windows Start means within the accessories folder. So children, MS Paint is what? It's a Microsoft Paint. Microsoft Paint, also called MS Paint or simply Paint, is a computer program made by Microsoft. It allows people to create picture files as well as edit pictures files saved on the computer children. So children, Microsoft Paint is also a program for adding text to images saved on a computer. So children, you will see the figure given in figure 5.1, starting paint. That is, Microsoft Paint is a drawing tool. It can be used to draw, color, make changes to a picture and print and save it. So you have to click Start All Programs, Accessories, Paint, which is given in figure 5.1. And then you have to go to the Paint button. It is the first button on the left. It opens a menu which has options for opening, saving and creating a new file. Then we will see drawing area. This is the part of a paint where you can draw pictures using different tools, which is given in figure. Okay, so children, you will see paint has had only two colors when previously, originally means nowadays you have different colors, but previously, originally before, in olden times, paint had only two colors, that is black and white, but now you have different colors to paint in the MS Paint. So they are telling you originally paint had only two colors, black and white, but nowadays you have different colors. So you will see the figure which is given in 5.1. There is an arrow showing you the paint. In the accessories, calculator, command prompt, connect to a projector, getting started, max input, notepad, and then there is the arrow showing you from wiki how to paint. And then the next step is you have to go to paint. Okay children, so in this way you will paint in your first step in MS Paint, how to paint, that is how to draw color, make changes to a picture and print and save it. So I hope children you have understood this lesson. Let's meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.